University of Education Lahore welcomes students from diverse countries. Students from Africa, China and Iran are a significant component of the university's diverse student population. The Department of History, Arts and Cultural Heritage is a melting pot of diverse cultures, rich histories and shared passions for arts and cultural heritage. We are thrilled to have a vibrant international student community in our department. International students at our department have the exceptional chance to fully immerse in Pakistan's rich cultural history while pursuing their academic objectives. Our committed faculty members are experts in their disciplines and offer a caring and supportive atmosphere for students to succeed in their intellectual endeavors. Beyond academics, our university encourages cultural exchange and understanding among students from different countries. International students are allowed to share their culture and gain knowledge from the diverse cultural background of our country, promoting a global community within the university. Moreover, the University of Education Lahore provides international students with a supportive and inclusive atmosphere with various services and facilities to ensure their well-being and success. From accommodation to academic support, we strive to make their experience as smooth and enriching as possible.
I like Pakistan. I think Pakistan is a beautiful country and I like Pakistan's traditional culture.
I'm very happy to join the university, especially history department. Actually, the professor of the department are so friendly and he speak English fluently as a native. That's a good opportunity for us to learn more and more every day. So I have a good experience on Pakistani people. Actually, they are so friendly and they are so hospitable, they respect guests as well. And the university has a good facilities such as hostel or games or gym as well. And the university has many academic centers such as the library and academic lab too.
Studying at the University of Education Lahore is an unforgettable experience for our international students. They gain valuable knowledge and skills, building lifelong friendships, and develop a deeper appreciation for Pakistan's rich history, arts, and cultural heritage.